Castor oil's shocking secrets. That Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Castor oil often flies under the radar regarding natural remedies and is overshadowed by more mainstream options. However, this humble oil is packed with lesser-known benefits that challenge the narratives pushed by pharmaceutical companies. One of the most remarkable aspects of castor oil is its natural healing properties. Rich in ricinoleic acid, castor oil has potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects, making it an excellent choice for treating various skin conditions, such as eczema and psoriasis. Its ability to penetrate deeply into the skin also aids in promoting wound healing and reducing scars. Beyond skin health, castor oil has applications that extend to digestive health as well. Many people use it as a natural laxative, providing relief from constipation without the harsh side effects often associated with over-the-counter medications. This makes castor oil a cost-effective alternative to pharmaceuticals, allowing individuals to manage their health naturally and affordably. Moreover, numerous testimonials and studies support the claims surrounding castor oil's benefits. For instance, a study published in the Journal of Clinical and Aesthetic Dermatology highlighted the oil's effectiveness in improving skin hydration and elasticity. Additionally, countless individuals have shared their success stories online, praising castor oil's ability to promote hair growth and strengthen brittle nails. These real-life experiences further validate the oil's potential as a natural remedy. In a world where Big Pharma often prioritizes profit over wellness, castor oil stands out as a beacon of hope for those seeking alternative solutions. By embracing this versatile oil, you can tap into its myriad benefits while sidestepping many pharmaceuticals' high costs and side effects. So, if you're ready to challenge the mainstream narrative and explore the incredible potential of castor oil, stay tuned for more insights and practical tips. Using castor oil, results after 10 days were surprising. Have you ever wondered what happens when incorporating castor oil into your daily routine? After just 10 days of use, let me share some personal experiences and case studies demonstrating this natural remedy's remarkable effects. Many individuals have reported transformative results in various health aspects, particularly skin, hair, and digestive health. For instance, one user documented their journey with castor oil applied to their skin. Initially struggling with dry patches and irritation, they began using castor oil as a moisturizer. After just 10 days, they noticed a significant skin hydration and texture improvement. The dry patches had diminished, and their skin felt softer and supple. This transformation was so impressive that they shared before and after photos, showcasing the visible difference in their skin's appearance. Another case study focused on hair health. A participant applied castor oil to their scalp and hair ends daily, hoping to combat hair thinning. After 10 days, they reported increased moisture and noticeable hair growth. Their hair felt thicker and healthier, and they were thrilled to share their results with friends and family, encouraging them to try it as well. Digestive health is another area where castor oil shines. One individual shared their experience of using castor oil as a natural laxative. After a 10-day trial, they found relief from chronic constipation, feeling lighter and more energetic. This personal testimony highlights how castor oil can be a gentle yet effective solution for digestive issues. We encourage you to consider a 10-day trial of castor oil for yourself.